Hello, all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, I am going to show you one of the shortcut way like how you can insert your date and time in Microsoft Excel. Okay. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So today I will just show you one of the shortcut way. Suppose if you want to insert the current date, or if you want to insert the present date, or if you want to insert today's date. Okay, so what you can do is like you can just press control semicolon. So today's date is 31st of March 2023. So it will automatically insert the today's date if you press control semicolon. And suppose if you want to insert the present time, and the current time is afternoon 2:07 p.m. Suppose if you want to insert, you can just press control shift semicolon so that it will insert the present time. Okay, so this is how you insert current date and time in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.